Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we will explore how to enhance image readability for OCR by applying various filters using IronOCR in C#. So first, ensure you have installed the IronOCR NuGet package via NuGet Package Manager. Search for IronOCR in the Browse tab and install. I have already installed it. To begin, let's proceed to the Program.cs file and first import the IronOCR library and then set the license key to utilize this full potential. Next, we instantiate IronTeaserRect, the powerful OCR engine, and prepare the image for processing. We will start by adding an image input. In this case, the file is sample.jpg. This will be the base image we will apply filters to. Next, we apply the Sharpen filter, which enhances the edge of the image. This is ideal for making faint text more distinguishable. After sharpening, save the filtered image for comparison. This allows us to track improvements at each stage. So now we enhance the resolution of the image using the Enhanced Resolution filter. This step is particularly helpful for low-quality images. And once applied, save the enhanced image to analyze the impact of increased clarity on the text readability. And next, we tackle noise the image by applying the Denoise filter. This is critical for removing unwanted background noise. With noise removed, save the denoised image to access the cleaned up appearance. We then proceed with the Dilate filter, which expands the shapes of objects in the image. This can be helpful for bolding text. Save the dilated image, which should now showcase stronger and more pronounced characters. Lastly, apply the Erode filter, which reduces the shapes of objects in the image. This is often used to refine thickened text. Save the eroded image to complete the series of filters. So now let's run the application and see how these filters improve the OCR results. There you go, it's done. You now have multiple processed versions of the original image, each suited for different OCR requirements. Try these filters on your own image for optimal OCR performance. IronOCR is incredibly useful for enhancing image quality before text extraction, allowing you to easily process and extract data from challenging images with improved accuracy and efficiency. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from IronOCR. To get started with IronOCR, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. You can click in the link below in the description and you can try for yourself.